Good morning, students. Today's subject is science. Today we are going to see the new lesson, that is lesson number 16, the universe. In last period we have completed the lesson number 15, that is fun with magnets. I think everyone have completed your CW. Okay. So today we are going to start the new lesson, that is the universe. So the lesson, the universe. Observe and discuss. Make use of telescope to observe the sky on clear night without clouds. So what do you observe in the clear sky on a dark night that we have to see in this lesson? You will see a smoky white band full of stars spreading north-south in the sky. This is the Milky Way and it is also known as Mandakini. A group of innumerable stars and their planetary systems are together known as galaxy. Okay, a group of innumerable stars. Okay, a group of stars and their planetary system together called a galaxy. The Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system is located. So the Milky Way is one galaxy in which our solar system is there. There are many such galaxies in the universe. There are many such galaxies are there. The Milky Way includes many stars that are smaller than sun as well as bigger than sun. Again, it includes the different celestial bodies. For example, clusters of stars. Clusters of stars means bunch of stars. Then nebulae, clouds of gases, clouds of dust, dead stars, newly born stars. These are included in the Milky Way. The universe includes innumerable galaxies. Innumerable are means uncountable. Okay. Then the space between them and also energy is there in the universe. Now the next part is types of galaxies. Okay. According to their shape, there are different types of galaxies are identified. For example, spiral. See in the picture, as it rotating in a spirally, their name is spiral. Then elliptical, as it rotate in a elliptical way, so it is elliptical galaxy. Then barred spiral. Then irregular. Irregular means they not have any particular shape, so that is called the irregular galaxy. The scientist Edwin Hubble shows that there exist many galaxies beyond our Milky Way. So he shows what he showed. There are many galaxies are there in our Milky Way. In 1990, NASA, the American Space Agency, launched the Hubble telescope in the orbit of the Earth. The Hubble telescope has made it easier to look for stars and to take photographs and to obtain the spectrum. So it is very useful telescope. Again, different types of telescopes are there. See in the picture. As we observe in the sky at night, there are thousands of twinkling stars that we see in the clear night sky. Some of them are bright, whereas some are faint. Stars radiating different colors. See, they have the property to radiate the color. For example, blue, white, yellow, reddish. So these colors are radiated by these stars. The birthplace of stars are the huge nebulae made up of dust particles and gases. See, from dust particles and gases, that one star is made, that is called the nebulae. Generally, the surface temperature of the stars ranges from 3500 degrees Celsius to 50,000 degrees Celsius. Imagine that how much hot that stars are there. In our summer season, if we are having the temperature only 40 to 44 degrees Celsius, we are feeling too much hot. But see their temperature of the star, it is how much? 3500 degrees Celsius to 50,000 degrees Celsius. And the color of the stars changes according to their temperature. According to their temperature, the color changes. Now the next point is some types of stars. First one, sun-like stars. So it is like a sun. These stars can be slightly smaller or bigger than the sun. So it is smaller or bigger than the sun. But there is a lot of difference in their temperature. But there is, what is the difference is there? For their temperature. Now the second one is red giant stars. The temperature of these star ranges from between 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius. See how much it is hot. But luminance can be 100 times that of the sun, but their luminance can be, it is higher, 100 times higher than the sun. Their diameter is 10 to 100 times that of sun. See, their diameter is 10 to 100 times that of sun. And it is red in color. Red giant stars are red in color. Now next type is supernova star. Supernova star. These are even brighter and larger than the red giant star. See, from that red giant star it is again brighter and larger also. Their temperature is between 3000 to 4000 degree Celsius. Their diameter can be more than 100 times greater than that of sun. Means this star is greater than a sun. So that is supernova star. The next one, binary or twin stars. Binary or twin stars. More than half of the star in the sky are binary. See, in the sky, more than half star are binary. They consist of two stars that revolve around each other. See, they consist of two stars that revolve around each other. So it is called the twin star. At times, 3 or 4 stars that revolve around each other also have been located. Means at a time 3 or 4 stars also revolve around itself. Now the next type is variable stars. The luminance and shape of this star is not stable. So it is called the variable as it changes again and again. It is not the stables. Their shapes are not stable. They are constantly contracting and expanding. So their shape are changes again and again. When star contract, its surface temperature increases and the star emits greater energy and appears brighter. See, and when it expands, it emits less energy and the star appears faint. Example of a variable star is a pole star. Okay. Now the next part is a solar system that we will see in a next video.